Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best oscilloscope review is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working with electronics, allowing you to visualize and analyze electrical signals in a way that's simply impossible with a multimeter alone. Whether you're a seasoned engineer troubleshooting complex circuits or a hobbyist tinkering with your latest project, understanding how to use an oscilloscope is a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oscilloscopes. Number 5. Siglent SDS1202X E200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope. This oscilloscope, made in China, offers exceptional performance. It's designed to provide accurate and reliable measurements for various applications. With a real-time sampling rate of up to 1 GSAS, it captures signals with incredible detail. This feature ensures that you don't miss any crucial information in your measurements. The device boasts a record length of up to 14 mpts, allowing for extensive data capture. This feature is useful for analyzing complex signals over extended periods. It supports standard serial bus triggering and decode functions. This allows for easy analysis of communication protocols like IIC, SPI, UART, RS-232, CAN, and LN. This is a powerful tool for engineers and technicians. It's designed to meet the demands of modern electronics testing and analysis. What we like. This oscilloscope boasts a high sampling rate, allowing you to capture even the most fleeting signals. If you're working with complex digital circuits or high-speed data streams, this feature ensures you won't miss any critical details. It also offers serial bus triggering and decode, which is ideal if you need to analyze communication protocols like I2C or SPI. If you are looking for a reliable tool for in-depth signal analysis, this is a great choice. What people say. The package comes with 2x 200 MHz, 1x 10x attenuating probes, 1x USB Type-A to USB Type-B cable, and a calibration certificate. It has a serial trigger feature, for CAN bus, RS-232 and more, and math functions. Construction of the unit seems like what you'd normally find of similar range of oscilloscopes, ABS PVC injected body. The push buttons are silicone and have LED backlights to indicate operation, which I personally prefer compared to hard ABS buttons. The rotary knobs have notches internally, so you have haptic feedback during rotation, like on old normal mouse wheels, not the infinitely free spinning kind you see on gaming mice. For people concerned about calibration, there are no specific units mentioned on the calibration sheet. However, they have listed the calibration equipment used, e.g. Keysight B2901A, Precision Source Measure Unit and others, to validate the unit, and of course they have a certificate No, which is certified NIST NIM NPL traceable. Number 4. FNIRSI DSO152, Handheld Digital Oscilloscope Kit. This mini oscilloscope boasts a real-time sampling rate of 2.5 MSS and a 200 kHz bandwidth. It can measure up to 800 VPP with a 10x probe. This allows it to capture signals with impressive detail. It features a full trigger function with auto, normal, and single modes. The 2.8-inch HD LCD screen with a 320 by 240 resolution provides a clear view. This makes it suitable for both analog and digital signals. This pocket-sized oscilloscope comes fully assembled, so you can use it right away. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for on-the-go use in various industries. With one-key auto settings, it's easy to display waveforms without complex adjustments. Long press the auto button to quickly calibrate the baseline. This simplifies the measurement process. It has a built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery that provides about 4 hours of continuous use. The Type-C interface supports data transmission, charging, and firmware upgrades. Please note that automatic calibration isn't available for signals below 45 Hz. You'll need to switch to manual mode. Adjust the time base and vertical sensitivity, and ensure the probe is connected with DC coupling for a clear waveform display. What we like. This mini oscilloscope is designed for portability and ease of use. It's perfect for on-the-go troubleshooting or quick measurements. If you're a technician or hobbyist who values convenience and simplicity, this is a great option. It also has a long battery life, so you can work for hours without needing to recharge. What people say. The oscilloscope has a large, clear display. The probes are of good quality and the included accessories are useful. The device is easy to set up and use. Number 3. HANMATEK DOS 1102 Digital Oscilloscope, 2 channels, 7-inch screen. This oscilloscope offers a 110 MHz bandwidth and 2 channels for versatile signal analysis. It has a real-time sampling rate of 500 ms, allowing you to capture detailed waveforms. The device features a 7-inch TFT LCD screen with 65,535 colors and an 800 by 480 resolution. The display provides a clear view of the waveforms and measurement data. It supports cursor measurements, including voltage and time differences. This also includes automatic range functions and waveform tracking, making it easy to use. The product includes a 6-digit hardware frequency meter, capable of measuring from 2 Hz to 20 MHz. It also has current measurement capabilities, enhancing its functionality. It offers waveform storage and U-disk storage. The device also supports USB device and host interfaces, along with 30 automatic measurement functions. This oscilloscope has a waveform capture function and supports LabVIEW communication. It also complies with SCPI specifications and is powered by DC. What we like. This oscilloscope features a large 7-inch display for easy waveform viewing. If you need to analyze signals in detail and appreciate a clear visual representation, this is a great choice. It also includes a built-in frequency meter and multiple automatic measurement functions, making it a versatile tool for various applications. What people say. It has a good screen and is easy to use. The probes are good quality and the device is well built. The device works well and has all the features I need. Number 2. FNIRSI 2C23T, 3-in-1 Oscilloscope Multimeter Signal Gen. This is the FNIRSI 2C23T, a versatile 3-in-1 device. It combines an oscilloscope, digital multimeter, and signal generator into one compact unit. It's perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. The FNIRSI 2C23T is designed to be handheld and easy to carry. It integrates 3 essential functions, making it an ideal tool for various applications. It simplifies your work with its multifunctional design. In oscilloscope mode, it offers 2 channels with a 10 MHz bandwidth and a 50 ms sampling rate. It also features automatic measurements and trigger functions. This allows you to easily analyze signals. The multimeter mode provides 10,000 counts and measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and temperature. It also includes diode and continuity tests. This ensures comprehensive testing capabilities. The signal generator mode outputs waveforms up to 2 MHz. It offers 7 different waveforms, including sine, square, and triangle waves. You can adjust the frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle. It has a built-in rechargeable 3000 mAh battery for up to 6 hours of standby time. The device also features a data storage function, allowing you to save and export your data via Type-C. This makes the product user-friendly. What we like. This device combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into a single, portable unit. If you're looking for a versatile all-in-one solution for electronics troubleshooting and testing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who need a comprehensive set of tools in a compact form factor. What people say. The oscilloscope has a large, clear display. The probes are of good quality and the included accessories are useful. The device is easy to set up and use. Number 1. FNIRSI 2C53P Plus 3-in-1 Automotive Oscilloscope. This is the FNIRSI 2C53P Plus, an upgraded 3-in-1 device. It combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into one portable package. It's designed to be your all-in-one solution. Building on the 2C23T, this model significantly improves performance. It integrates a 2-channel oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator. This makes it a versatile tool for various applications. The oscilloscope uses FPGA plus MCU plus ADC architecture for superior performance. It boasts a 250 ms sampling rate and 50 MHz bandwidth, with a built-in high-voltage protection module. It also supports waveform screenshots. It features a 4.5-digit display with 19,999 counts. This allows it to measure AC/DC voltage and current, capacitance, resistance, diodes, continuity, and temperature. It's a complete multimeter solution. The built-in signal generator outputs 12 different waveforms, including sine, square, and triangle waves, up to 10 MHz. You can adjust the frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle to suit your needs. It provides excellent analysis functions, including afterglow, FFT spectrum analysis, and cursor measurement. These features help you accurately analyze signal frequency components. This helps you get precise results. It features a 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen with a 480 by 272 resolution. The 4000 mAh battery provides up to 4 hours of use on a full charge. It also comes with a carrying case for easy portability. What we like. This upgraded model features a touchscreen display and a high bandwidth, providing a user-friendly and powerful experience. If you're looking for advanced signal analysis capabilities, including FFT spectrum analysis and cursor measurements, this is a great choice. It also includes a built-in signal generator and multimeter, making it a versatile tool for various applications. What people say. The oscilloscope has a large, clear display. The probes are of good quality and the included accessories are useful. The device is easy to set up and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.